Business bullshit is fucking around us and we will push it. Business bullshit is fucking around us and we will push it. Business bullshit is fucking around us and we'll push it, yo. I don't wanna have a reward for getting fucking hurt, to get illusion of the fucking being welcome aboard. Now when you don't have a word and moving towards inward, cooperating motherfucking shitty officer words. Now who the hell is fucking care about your massive force, when only thing that really matters is a skill to endure? But I mean really man, come on, ain't it time to reverse this fucking deadly loop that crashes personality first, and then enslaves, makes you behave the proper way that you hate, and ending up with business bullshit that you eat and you ate. They fucking use you like a unit that would suffer and wait until the salary increase and keeps you losing the bait. If you debate, just go the fuck away and pray that it stay. Now Dr. Pi, I guess you also having something to say.